incredible Labor Day savings now, like exclusive double rebates on select KitchenAid packages and this Whirlpool Closet Depth Washer and Dryer pair, just $6.99 each. Shop local Librarian Scarf, where it doesn't cost more to get more.
Are you looking for a hassle-free, simple way to sell your home as is? We buy houses directly. There's no middlemen, no commissions. Give us a call today. House Buyers of America. Real estate made real easy.
Kids are headed back to school, and ABC7 is on your side to help keep them safe. So make sure that they know their home address and phone numbers, and let them know to never accept rides from strangers. Together, we can make the school year safer.
We're ABC7, and we're on your side. You're watching ABC7 News at 6:30 on your side.
Endurance athlete Diana Nyad is famous for her record-setting swim from Cuba to Florida in 2013 at the age of 64. Well, today she walked to Washington to cap off another long-distance milestone, and it's one that she wants others to join her on. ABC7's Katie Kairos met Nyad at the finish line today.
Just get out. Don't sit on your couch. Walk out your front door.
Diana Nyad at the end of another long journey, 135 miles on foot that started in Philadelphia.
And now we're in the glory of the most elegant city in the United States, D.C.
But she didn't do this one solo. For Nyad, epic meant becoming the first person to swim from Cuba to Florida without a shark cage. And after she accomplished that 35-year dream, she had a question.
How could we lend, inspire, lead other people to this kind of experience with purpose? Something pretty tough, you'd suffer a bit, but doable, you do. So we came upon walking.
That led her and her coach Bonnie Stoll to found Everwalk, a walking initiative. They've now held 5 epic walks.
This country of ours has become the most sedentary country in the world. So if we're not getting up, we're going to be the first generation not to outlive the age of our parents.
Nyad's message is that you don't have to be a record-setting, world-class athlete to be epic. You can just set personal records and break them.
First of all, I feel great. You think you would be more tired doing all this walking, but it actually just gives you so much energy.
These walkers took the trip 20 miles a day, but Nyad says the goal is just to get out and walk 3 times a week.
You'd be surprised what you'll start discovering about yourself and your community.
In Northwest Washington, Katie Kairos, ABC 7 News.
And returning to our coverage of Hurricane Dorian now, taking a live look at Jacksonville, where the sun is trying to poke through the clouds, but the beach itself is empty, as you see there, and the waves are only growing bigger and stronger. So it's a good thing that that beach is fairly empty at this time.
Yeah, we're talking about that. The center of the storm is about 175 miles east of West Palm Beach. Yep. It is moving westerly at only 5 miles per hour, which is not good for the islands of the Bahamas. It eventually is going to start to make that right turn, but not till it gets about 60, 70 miles off the coast, right, and then should start to make that shift to the right. But obviously, a little bit of a jogging to the west or the east can have big implications.
Hoping it stays out in the water there.
That is the hope. Let's watch right now. Category 5. This is a major storm right now. 6 o'clock update, 185-mile-an-hour winds. Gust to 225, creeping to the west at 5. As we head through the next couple of days, it's going to make that trek east to the east and then eventually come up the eastern seaboard. And what I want to show you here as we go through time periods, as we go through the middle portion of the week, by Wednesday, Thursday, off the Georgia-Carolina coast, and by Thursday to Friday, potentially, could graze these areas through the Carolinas. They have the cone of uncertainty encompassing even portions of Virginia Beach, Tidewater, even extreme southern Maryland on the western extent of that cone in the Delmarva. So something we'll be watching carefully. Big rains, 15, 20 inches of rain, not out of the question across the Bahamas. 2 to 5 along the Florida coastline as we move up. 2 to 6 from Jacksonville to Charleston, Savannah. 4 to potentially 10 along the Carolinas if the storm's a little bit closer here. And even we're talking, 3 to 5 inch totals down through the Tidewater. Less than an inch for us around here. And the other thing we're keeping a close eye on are those winds. These are the major hurricane winds that stay just off the coast, but hurricane force winds anywhere from Melbourne to Vero Beach to West Palm, right here, kind of riding up that coastline. So those really intense winds, we're talking anywhere from 39 to 74 miles per hour right along that coastline for an extended period of time as it slowly moves up the coast. So winds, strong surf, and some potential for some flooding with intense rains, all potentials through the southeastern United States. Beautiful shot right now. Look at that sun in Spotsylvania, 80 with the breaks in the clouds. Arlington right now at 82. Sun's back there. See it, peekaboo. Hagerstown right now at 75. We've had a few little sprinkles. Next couple of hours, stray sprinkler shower. Otherwise, 70s give way to some 60s later tonight. Now tomorrow, Labor Day, a little more sunshine than we had today. Upper 80s, so warm, muggy, isolated shower or storm into the afternoon. There are the concerts happening out on the Capitol steps. Fingers crossed that these storms are highly isolated. As far as our trend, we are fairly warm. Our average is 84, but we could go to the 90s as we head back to school Tuesday and Wednesday. And then with Dorian passing, we will be cooler. Let's talk about what impacts. So we have an isolated storm tomorrow. Dry for back to school on Tuesday. Looking good for Tuesday. Wednesday right now, look at that, 92 degrees. It does look like Wednesday will feature a day that will have maybe just a storm or two by evening. And then for Thursday, Friday, with the storm so close, we'll get an easterly flow. That means added clouds, maybe a stray shower Thursday, but breezy and much cooler through the end of the work week.